Wednesday, June 5th, 2024. Saint Boniface. Focus. He is not God of the dead, but of the living. Who has not wept inconsolably during the funeral of a loved one? When a member of our family dies, we are immersed in grief. We feel they are gone forever. In a sense, they are, since they will never again be physically present. But when Jesus went to console Martha, the sister of Lazarus, who had died, he told her, "I am the resurrection and the life." This is the guarantee Jesus offers us: resurrection and eternal life with God. The Sadducees did not believe in resurrection. They tried to trick Jesus with a ridiculous tale of a woman married to one man after another, and posed the question about whose wife she would be after the resurrection. Jesus explained, "When they rise from the dead, they neither marry nor are given in marriage, but are like angels in heaven." Jesus clearly spoke about the resurrection of the dead and the nature of God. Saint Paul also said that Christ abolished death and brought life, immortality to light. Jesus' resurrection from the tomb gives us the sure hope that death is not the end, but merely a transition from the earthly life to the heavenly one, in communion with the living God. Fruit. When endless questions about the afterlife bother me, let me place my faith in the resurrection as martyrs like Saint Boniface firmly did.